Welcome to VL Maya channel. This is the same plant which I shared just few days back, maybe a week or 10 days. So it's already growing so much. Today I'm going to show you Kattu charu or Moong dal soup. This is eaten with rice or you can drink as a soup. Okra, dried okra. I'm going to fry them and sprinkle some salt and chili powder. So this as a side dish. Kattu charu or moong dal soup. We need soaked moong dal. So I have soaked it so that we can cook it quick, because I don't use any pressure cooker. I don't like to use pressure cooker. And for tempering we need jeera and cumin seeds and salt. This chili powder is for okra, and pinch of turmeric and 3 to 4 red chillies, and this is garlic and cumin seed crushed together. This is the key ingredient for this. And we need some oil to fry to the pan, and I'm going to shallow fry these okras. So whenever we have some extra okras, when there is sunshine, I'll be drying them and we'll be using for any rainy day. This tastes too good. We can dry up any vegetables. It also has vitamin D because sun rays are absorbed. Once it turns little darker color, brown color, then I'm going to take them into the bowl. So I always try to use one pot or two maximum, so that I finish off my cooking in 1 or 2 pots. That's the reason. First I have fried this. I'm going to do Kattu charu in same pot. When it is hot, just sprinkle some salt and red chili powder and mix it. Looks good. In same bowl with the leftover oil, I've added little more oil and I'm going to do tempering. Some red chilli, and I'm going to take this into a bowl. And now I'm going to add dal, soaked dal. I always add hot water because this speeds up the cooking. So once the dal comes to boiling, I'm going to add all these spices, that is salt, turmeric and red chillies and crushed garlic and cumin seeds. So now I let it to boil. Because this pot is already having a little bit oil in it, so that oil helps to cook dal quick. Yeah, it has come to boiling and it's more than half cooked. You can mash little bit like this. Now it's time to add tempering. I'm going to turn off this. That's it. And mix it. I'm going to serve into the bowl. Let me try the okra. It's nice and crispy. And the time for soup taste. It's very tasty. Try out this, guys. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And for full description, look in the description box below. Thank you for watching and see you with next video.